Hey guys, real quick, Weaver here. Short video on the solution button and a couple kind of polishing up of like your dragged block. Let's go here real quick. So you should have your solution button, reset button, start button, your score label, and your time label. Your score label set to 0. Your time label is set to 30. It's going to count down. And so it's a decrement. So we need that code as far as minus, and then your increment score as you drag and drop should give you an increment of +1. Your display, if you didn't get your horizontal arrangements in here, you can't see it. I'm gonna give you a little tip here. You can correct this. So normally we have it on phone size, but if you take it to tablet size or monitor size, it should give you a bigger working space as far as the design mode. So you can see that horizontal arrangement and where the actual score and time is listed. Let's go to our blocks real quick. So basically, this solution button, when the user clicks the solution button, it's going to take all of the organs and put them in its proper place. It's basically giving you the solution. So I'm going to give you that code real quick. Need to go to blocks, and it's not working. Okay, let me pause the video and figure out what's going on here. Okay, I'm back. I had to reset the page. These things get glitchy sometimes and temperamental. Okay, so we're working on the solution button. So for the solution button code, I have it in my backpack. I'm going to go ahead and just give it to you. Let me find it. Solution. All right, here's my solution. Okay, so the solution button. Okay, so the solution button when it's clicked. Okay, now remember it's called solution button, so or whatever you named it. I named mine solution button because if I go back to design mode, here's my solution button. It's solution button. Okay, go back to blocks to code it. You basically are going to need your solution button click, which is under solution button, and it's the first one. So one solution button click, and then you're going to call all of these procedures. So if you did digestive, you're going to have digestive move to, then get global digestive system placement X. It's going to go to the placement X and Y. So you should have that in there, and you should have one additional. Okay, so if you did brain, make sure you get the procedure, the purple procedure that says call brain move to placement X and Y. Then you're going to grab a set digestive system placement visible and make it false because we're going to add the solution and it's going to be locked in. So it's going to be there. And then you need your other one, whatever you chose, and set that to false. Okay, that's the code that you need for that, for the solution button. We'll leave it on the screen for a second. One solution click, call procedure, and then set placement to false. Okay, there you go. Solution button. Solution button. So you should have it for call digestive, move to, and then one other. And then you need a set digestive system placement, visible to false, and one other. There it is, solution button. All right, one more thing before I go. I'm going to go back to my digestive system dragged block. And you might want to do this. This is just a little extra. So when the user drags the organ, it should like pop up a text that gives the general description of the organ. So I'm going to grab a set organ description text. Okay, set organ description text. And I'm going to change this for digestive. And I found a definition on Google that kind of goes with a description for this. Okay, so basically mine says the organs that take food and liquids and breaks it down. Okay, and I put that in my digestive system dragged. Now right now the component does not exist because I haven't created it yet. I need to create a label. So I'm going to go back to designer and create a label for organ description. Okay, so I'm going to grab a label and I'm going to throw the label here. Okay, and I'm going to call that, I'm going to rename it and call it organ description. Okay, organ description. So whenever I drag the organ, it should give me a definition or a description of what it is in this text box down below. So the text here, where it says text for label 1, needs to just go away. Okay, because I'm going to code it to say something. Okay, so there is the organ description label right there below my score and time. So now I need to go back to my blocks and I can throw in, I thought I already did it, but I guess I didn't. Digestive system into the dragged block, and I'm going to research a short definition. So basically you're going to set organ description, which is under your label. Grab this green one and it should say organ description text to, and then grab a blank quotation and then find something on the web, short definition for digestive or short description for brain, and paste it in there. Okay, mine is going to say the organs that take in food and liquids and break it down. Now I'm going to connect and see if that works. So I'm going to go to connect, Chromebook, and I'm going to wait. And then that should be the end of the video. Okay, so the timer's going. I have my start, my reset, and my solution. Okay, so if I drag digestive, it gives me my description down at the bottom. It says the organs that take in food and liquids and break them down into substances. So this is the digestive. I'm going to drop it there. Boom. Okay. If I click reset, it should reset. If I hit solution, the only thing I coded so far is the digestive, and it goes to where it needs to be. So that's all. Reset, reset, start. This was just a demo, so it's not working properly, but there. And then reset. Okay, that's it. Weaver out.